Hi guys, Sithix6 here, and this is my daily Rubik's Cube solve. But before we get into that, I want to show you a few algorithms and triggers I've been learning. I've been researching and studying and compiling all the best OLL, PLL, and all the best triggers because I'm working on a video called Things I Wish I Knew Before I Started Cubing. I'm a lot better with orange in front, yellow on top. So let's get into it. And I do practice colorblind solves off camera, but on camera I'm trying to get a personal record, so I'm going to do what I'm most comfortable with. So this is a scramble that I got, and the way I like to hold the cube is orange in front, yellow on top. Okay, 3, 2, 1. If you have any scrambles you want me to solve, leave it in the comments.